Hello world, welcome to CodingScientist.com, artificial intelligence and robotics using Jetson Nano and JetBot module. Alright guys, let's take a look at it where we are. We are on lesson number 16 and we have one more lesson to go before we finish the entire hardware build. So this is an important lesson guys. This is where we are going to connect between the Jetson Nano's GPIO pins to the motor driver board, the board which we fixed, which you got along with your kit. So how we are going to connect? You would have received a bundle of wire like this, like it's a kind of 1.5–2 inches of excuse me, a jumper wire kind of thing with multiple colors. So take out that wire and look at this color combination. The red wire, there are two red wires which are nothing but 5 volt connected to your Jetson Nano, between Jetson Nano 5 volt GPIO pin to the 5 volt of your motor driver board. Same way there is another 5 volt, there are two 5 volt, and the black wire is a ground wire from Jetson Nano to ground wire of your motor driver board, and the 3.3 volt is the yellow color wire. And similar way the SDA and SEL basically for the signals, where we will be sending the signals through your Python code. So follow through this particular color code combination and connect the right wiring. There are very less chances of doing any mistakes because the way the wire has been binded back together in this kit, it's pretty comfortable. It just sits perfectly on that particular 6x6 pin. So let me show you how I did it so that you will get an idea about what I am talking about. So if you look at my JetBot, this is the way I connected. So just for you guys to understand how this pin configuration works, these are the 40 different GPIO pins in Jetson Nano. We have pretty detailed intensive lessons in the future to access all these pins and run different motors and applications and stuff like that. But for now, you guys will be using the first 6 pins of Jetson Nano's GPIO pins, which is connected to your motor driver board here. So the red wires, as per the manual, if you look at the manual, both the red wires are 5 volt and 5 volt. If you carefully look at the Jetson Nano prints here, it's clearly written 3 volt, 5 volt, 3 volt, 5 volt and ground and kind of thing. So wherever you see the first row, right, where it is written 3 volt, 3.3 volt and 5, it's the outer pin, the outside of the pin. And which is written here, the next row, that is the inside pin. Okay, so keep that in mind. It's pretty easy. You can follow this color coding, which goes to 5 volt and 5 volt and 5 volt and 3.3 volt, the ground, and SDA and SEL, which is green and yellow. So it's pretty easy to hook it up. Go ahead and do this. This is very important. This is without connecting this wire, your bot is not going to work. So keep that in mind, guys. I'm going to be back soon in the next lesson. I'm going to show you some more stuff. That's going to be the end of hardware build, and we will take it forward from there. Alright, goodbye. Stay tuned.